Right, so we've put it on securely so that it stays on there and doesn't get ripped off within 5 seconds. Not by the lack of gluing, by driving. You basically need to stick a mirror on there so you can see where the hell you're going. So, luckily for us, we have this old E36 convertible, which we're taking parts off, and very luckily, it has the same wing mirrors as on the E65. So remember this, guys, on the E36 and E46 convertible and coupe, you have the same wing mirrors that's on E65. So that's very good. We just go, it's the passenger one, so we need to go and take it off. So to take it off, use this panel tool again. No! 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 I have fucked it. How the fuck are you supposed to take it off then? That is bad news, man. I proper fucked it, look. I can't even take it out. Oh, shit. No good driving with a broken mirror. Fuck it. Let's try the other one. Пиздец.
Пиздец. This means fuck. Just as many other words in this language do?
I told you I was shit at cars. I've broken 2 mirrors now. I'm not gonna look at it, but you can look at it. Get 7 years of bad sex, apparently.
Hello and welcome to What Do You Know? Aaron S. wants to know, why is breaking a mirror 7 years of bad luck? Good question, Aaron. We went down to the Hall of Mirrors with a bag of rocks and found out. Like a lot of superstitions, it starts with the Romans. The Romans were the first to create glass mirrors. And like a lot of cultures, they believed that mirrors had the power to take a person's soul. And if your image in the mirror was degraded in any way, say by breaking it, it damaged your soul, and a damaged soul led to bad fate. Okay, easy enough, but why 7 years? The Romans also had a belief that everything about you was regenerated every 7 years. So it would take 7 years for your soul to regenerate completely. Now there were ways you could counteract the curse. You could take pieces of the broken mirror and put them in a south-running stream, or you could touch a piece of broken mirror to a tombstone, or you could throw salt over your shoulder. We decided to do all three, and submerged ourselves in a river while touching pieces of broken mirror to our shoulders. That should do the trick, right?